access Google Colab in your computer, go to your browser and type colab.research.google.com in address bar. The home page of Colab looks like this. On the top right corner of the web page, click on Sign In and log into your Google account. Once you have successfully logged into your Google account, we can see a document on the screen with the title, What is Collaboratory? Go through this document thoroughly and learn about resources in Google Colab after this video. Now, let's look at how to create a new notebook in this platform. For this, click on File, Present on the top left corner of the page and then click on New Notebook. A new tab will open on your browser with the new notebook you have just created under the title Untitled 0.ipynb. This is your notebook in Google Colab. Here, Untitled 0 is the name of your notebook. You can easily change the name of your notebook to anything that relates the work you are working on by simply clicking on the text box and edit the name. The extension of the notebook is IPYNB, which stands for Interactive Python Notebook. Remember that any notebook that you create on Colab or Jupyter Notebook software has an extension of .ipynb by default unless specified. Also, you can open existing notebooks that are saved in your computer. Upload a notebook into your Colab account and download the notebook that you are working upon. Let's take a look at some cool features of your Colab notebook. Notebooks are made up of cells. Cell is nothing but a block in notebook in which you can write code or text. Each cell can either be a code cell or a text cell. As its name suggests, code cell is used for writing and executing code. On the other hand, text cell is used for writing text, HTML, Markdown, etc. By default, when we create a new notebook, a single code cell can be seen on the screen to start coding. In order to edit the cell, click on it. Let's write our first code in Python using Google Colab. To print a message, Hello World, go to the active cell of your notebook. Type print and inside the parenthesis, type the message Hello World within double quotation marks. Close the parenthesis and click on Run Cell button on the left side of the cell. When you click on the Run Cell button on the top right side, you can see that the server starts processing. Normally, it takes a bit longer for the code to process when it is being executed for the first time in a Colab notebook. Once it shows connected, Google Colab will start executing your code and show the output as Hello World. This is the first successful execution of a Python program. Let's explore further. In the top left menu, you can find two buttons labeled Code and Text. Through these buttons, you can add code or text blocks to your notebook respectively. Text blocks help in navigating through the code and understanding it in a much better way. We can put as much explanation as required in these blocks to make the notebooks informative as well as exciting. Google Colab automatically keeps on saving the work done in your notebook. To access your notebooks, you can go to the File menu on top left corner and click on the first option, that is Locate in Drive. Go to Google Drive and find the Colab Notebooks folder. Also, you can find the recent notebooks that you have worked upon at the Google Colab homepage. So, that's all for getting to know about Google Colab. Now onward.